Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the camera down, mount it on a tripod, and attach a remote or use a 2 self-timer to prevent any blur. Set your camera to manual. Choose a shutter between 10 and 30s to gather light, select aperture f/2. 8 to f/8 depending on depth, and keep ISO low, around 100-800, to control noise. Once positioned, enable RAW for maximum editing room and switch to live view. This lets you fine-tune composition and focus precisely before you take the first frame. Once initial frames are locked, dial in focus and exposure with intent. Manually focus using live view magnification. Pick a bright star or distant light to reach critical sharpness. Then bracket your exposure. Take 3 to 5 shots, changing shutter by 1 to 2 stops to capture highlight and shadow detail. If a foreground object needs illumination, add a single short burst from a flash or a low-intensity LED panel to blend with ambient light. Make sure to review histograms and adjust until stars and foreground are both readable. You finish by inspecting shots at full magnification to confirm sharp stars and a clean foreground. If you spot motion trails, shorten the shutter or consider a tracking mount. Once satisfied, transfer RAW files and apply noise reduction, set white balance, and perform selective sharpening to preserve star detail. If images look soft, recheck focus, clean the lens, and repeat a shorter exposure. One troubleshooting tip: if high noise persists, lower ISO and compensate with slightly longer exposure, or stack multiple frames to reduce noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.